Hi everybody, today I am going to be making a bouncing egg. The materials required are an egg, regular white vinegar, a glass jar and a lid. Now let's add some vinegar to our glass. Now let's take our egg and slowly place it in the vinegar. Bubbles coming out and the egg slightly moving up. Now let's cover the glass with the lid. We have waited for a day and the eggshell has slowly started to dissolve in the vinegar. Now let's take the egg out and slowly start to peel off the shell. The egg has become bigger and it's also a little squishier and it can bounce.